Good morning, guys. So I just gave Coco his breakfast and then I'm gonna make myself coffee.
Buy anywhere in Korea. He's known as Kim Kwon-jin, okay? Kim Kwon-jin?
Go, boss. So tiring.
But she follows me.
No. I think they're known for drinks.
Yeah.
And then can I also grab a raspberry and white chocolate muffin?
Yeah.
I think. Oh, that's decent.
I know.
Oh, that's pretty good.
Swirly thing. Yeah.
It's basically a chocolate croissant.
This is my apple Danish. There's a chocolate
What's
in
this?
it. My raspberry and white chocolate muffin and thin chocolate.
Just takeaway.
No, I massive. The verdict is it's okay. Nothing special. Right? Ice chai was not the best.
There you go. Sorry, I probably should have got you a bigger plate.
It's all good. Thank you.
Like pre-rate something like that.
Yeah, someone at work was telling me how his daughter took him.
It's like a rave, yeah.
And it's a rave. Okay, and
That's
it's
so
like,
funny,
yeah,
that's so
it's
cute.
very weird.
Shut us up when you judge it half asleep. It's like across here, goes off over, and then you're like.
Oh, yours is right there. My bodyguard. Let's go! Haven't vlogged because we've been so lazy. Well, we've been napping. We've been napping and, you know, just resting in general. And we're gonna go. Are you?
He's like, shut up and cut it off.
And as you probably can see, I just woke up. Look at my hair. Haven't done shit. We haven't had lunch or dinner. Because you know what she did?
Okay.
It hurts.
You're not. Stop. Ah!
Hey, good. Yes. Daniel is trying a recipe that he found
Oh, fuck.
from Instagram.
Good stuff. It's the best.
Trying the new one. Grapefruit and blossom.
It's like nighttime.
It's actually so good. I recommend. We'll see you guys tomorrow morning. We're gonna get up pretty early tomorrow because we're gonna go to the church and visit my friends. See you tomorrow. Coco is the only one that eats breakfast because Coco is still a baby, isn't it? Coco is still a baby. Making breakfast.
You let them out.
So we are now getting ready to go to my parents' place. We're gonna stroll the babies and then we're gonna go to quickly stroll the babies. Church at 8 and we're actually cutting it too close. I think we're gonna be late, but see.
Okay. It's getting better. Yeah. Just give me a shower, please. Please don't push forever.
But she does that to herself.
Oh yeah.
4:30 and we're showing the babies now. This is their second walk of the day.
Ooh, that looks tasty. Can't wait to have that for breakfast. What you did. It's pretty good. Ooh. They just needed that extra hour.
Try it.
Because I bought that parmesan, hey?
So we just finished our breakfast and now we're gonna go for their favorite thing they want to do. I have lots of things I need to do today. Just clean up the kitchen for a bit. Get all the clothes from the clothesline. And then, because I have to leave by 10 because I'm going to my friend's brunch. Starts at 11 and she lives quite far from me, so and this is Julio. He had my bread, and did you like the bread, Julio? Did you like the sourdough? He looks pissed off. He always looks mad, but he's not mad. This is just his normal face. Po 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 po. Oldest boy. Let's go. Bye, Daniel. We're just leaving now, and I think it's gonna take 40. Oh, it's not too bad. 33 minutes. I also got the gift from literally from Christmas last year, and I haven't even given it to her yet. So I'm just gonna put this podcast here while I drive because it's just me, and it will be nice, you know.
But they're cheap.
So I'm gonna go now, and then I'll stop vlogging. I'll keep you guys. I'll grab the cameras when I reach the house, and yeah, you get to meet them. Bye. Yeah. I just want. So cute.
Also, you've got me so nice.
Sino na? Ikaw gumawa nito.
She made us a note.
I have lots of frozen at home kasi I was like, I bought good chunky. Oh my god, $11 na. Per piece. I'm like, not paying for that. I'm gonna make it.
You're so cheap na. I sound like my mom.
Same!
I will touch myself. I'm like,
No, I was telling Baby na, did I become like tita talaga, tita? Yo, it's too fragile. Oh my gosh, so beautiful.
This is the only time it will come out. No, I'm not trying to hold another one.
You joined me. Oh nga.
Come here.
Sausage roll, macarons, and what's this? What's this ball thing here?
Mac and cheese.
Asked her. Did she have a baby? Then we don't.
So we're gonna go for a second walk. Just got home from the brunch.
Okay.
Kakao, ay kuya, come.
And the process. That means
So I'm ending the vlog here. I will see you guys on my next video.